Good evening, Northeast State Nagamis News viewers Khan Ajilaga main headlines. Solution Limited Framework Agreement hi khalik the basis ase koikina NSC and IM Chairman Q Tuku Prajnadeshe. Excise Department pro July moinate 79 cases registered koikina 3,480 mudu bottles seized krishi. Assam Nagaon District laga CRPF camp bitor aji 3ta personal murisha ekjon jokhom hoikina ase. Assam flood te manu moralaga total 87 punchishi koikina officials prajnadeshe. NSC and IM Chairman Q Tuku Prarubi ekbar junashe ki Indo-Naga political issue resolve korble khali ekta basis Augustine Tariq Sal 2015 te framework agreement sign kratu hi ase koikina Government of India to implement korble deri koikina accord to dusra fale pra interpret korble koshish kuri ase koikina allege kurishe. Framework agreement laga commemoration te kotha koikina Tuku praituto Naga history laga red letter day meaning important din ekta ase koikina led Isak Chishi Su TH Muiva former NSCN leaders are Khodao Yantan General retired Kholi or Brigadier Thungbo Nishna alak Naga movement martyrs ke tribute dishe. Tai Junashiki Framework Agreement pra Naga independence laga unique history to recognize kore, Naga Manu laga sovereignty acknowledge kore or Naga Manu or India majate, Nutun relationship nimite foundation lay kuri de koishe, Tuku laga hisabte agreement pra Naga national identity recognize kore, sovereignty Naga Manu laga huato junai de, Naga or Indian kan power share kura or natural resources opor Naga Manu laga ownership recognize kore or sob Naga areas ekta administration under ahato Naga Manu laga legitimate right hua hisabte accept kure koikina junadeshe. Tukubi claim krishi ki government of India bi NSC Naga government or Naga army ke Naga Manu laga ekta authentic political organization hisabte recognize kure koishe. Tai Junashi ki propose koikina thaka pen Naga hoho pra Naga culture, customs, literature, languages kan sabo. Kote propose koikina thaka Naga Regional Territory Councils NRTC pra integration issue resolve na hua tak. Manipur, Assam or Arunachal Pradesh te temporary arrangement hisabte ek kuribo koikina junadeshe. Agreement finalized kuroblete deri hoi thaka opor concern junadikina. Tuku pra government of India laga stand to inconsistent hoi jaishe koishe or taka nijor hisabte framework agreement to banai kina jai thaka allege kurishe. State Excise Department pra ja moina July te illegal mudu opor takhan laga crackdown to bishi koikina ja time. Dimapur, Chumukitima, our Newland district se operation law time 79 offences registered koikina 3,480 bottle Indian made foreign liquor IMFL or canned beer seized kurishe. Press release Joint Commissioner of Excise NCS Pyobemo Kikon Janashiki Narcotic Cell Mobile Squad or District Excise Saga Joint Team pra restaurants, bar or dusra commercial establishments nishna suspected jaga khante raid loishi koishe. Drive pichite business kunba bon hoishe kote violators kunba lokaikna business to chulaikina jai thaka suspected ase koikina junadeshe. Department rupees 2.16 lakhs penalties collect kurishe juntu to government treasury te deposit kurishe koishe seize kura muduto mal khana te rakhikina ase juntu to destruction board pra approval dia pichite biya kuribo koikina junadeshe. Kikon junashe ki excise department te staff committee hoikina saman or infrastructure thik natakikina bi sal 1990s pra loikina prohibition laws enforced koikina illegal mudu or drug trafficking saikina ahi ase koishe 1990 pra loikina department IMFL illegal mudu narcotic drugs or psychotropic substances laga legs nishna case register koikina ase koishe hodai din 13 to 15 cases average detect kore kote hodai sal 4000 5000 nishna cases hoi koikina junadeshe. Department junashiki to numbers per department consistent thakikina intelligence based enforcement loikina jai thakato dekhai koikina warn kurishiki illegal mudu outlets kante surprise inspections or raids lobule opor warn kurishe takhan bi public cooperation nimite appeal koikina manukun logote illegal mudu nahoile drug activities opor information ase takhan bi public cooperation nimite appeal koikina manukun logote illegal mudu nahoile drug activities opor khobor ase takhan ki Joint Commissioner of Excise NCK 9436077829 Superintendent NCK 9862584448 Office number 6909316927 te contact korble nohoile email jceexcise.nc-ngl@government.in te mail korble urge korise. Assistant Sub Inspector ASI Praji allegedly Assam Nagaon district laga CRPF camp bitorte open fire kurate duita Central Reserve Police Force CRPF personnel ke morai deshe kote to pichte tai nijor suicide kurishi koikna officials prajna deshe. Incident ituto 34 Battalion CRPF camp kati marite hoise kote itu ki nimite hoise itu janibo karne investigation loikna jaise. Preliminary information hisab te accused kun ke Andhra Pradesh laga ASIGD Balani Prema Baram koikina identify korishe tai kito men get duty te rakhi kina thakishe kitia tai reportedly take assign kora service hatyar to naduri kina paishi koikina janadeshe. Officials janashi kita came guard laga room te gusikina insas rifle loisha or quarter guard laga side fale jaishi koishe. Police janashi ki Prema Baram allegedly age head constable HVGD Vishnu Prasad Bagal ke fire kurishe kun ekdom biapra jokhom hoy kina jagate hi murishi koishe. Tai to pichte allegedly SIGD Ram Naval Singh Yadav kun kemte official document verification nimite aishe ताकि shoot kurishe kote taibi jokhom hoy kina murishe kote accused allegedly 171 battalion laga ASI Mane Govind Stripul ke goli marishe kun itya nimite seriously jokhom hoy kina treatment loy kina jaise. Balani eneka kura pichte 171 battalion barak se allegedly gusikina itu same hatyar pra nijor ke moraishe kote tai spot te murishe koy kina officials prajuna deshe. Incident itu pichte senior CRPG officers or local police personnel kemte joldi jakina punjishe kote security officials kan incident to kinika kurikina ishar kile hoishi to janibo nimite investigation loikina jaise. Assam flat manu morale ka total to 87 punchishe kote situation age prolop to bal hoikina ase koikina officials prajuna deshe. Assam State Disaster Management Authority SDA melaga hisabte flat pra effect ho manu to sop milaikina 25 districts se April moina pra aji August 3 tarik tak 11,45,109 June ase koikina juna deshe. Sobse bishi manu Sif Sagar te murishe 47 June kote Itiabi Charjun flat te missing ase. Currently 224 relief camps banai kina ase kote 73,074 displaced hoa manu khan thaki kina jaise. Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma junashi ki relief operation to chole kina jaise koikina state krishi.